Come watch us install our molding kits on the 9-foot wall. If you have higher ceilings, our Brooklyn molding kit will usually fit the bill, or our classic 3-piece kit. However, today we wanted to go for a different look. We're using our 2-piece wall kit, which is available in several widths, and simply adding an additional frame to the top. We love using our laser level whenever we can, and if you have high ceilings, this will be especially helpful for getting them all to line up evenly. Plus, our frames are really easy to reposition, so you can get them just right. Look at that! Next, we're painting the moldings to match the wall, and we're using Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore. It gives the room a very airy, bright, and cohesive look. Okay, time to clean and set this room up. We love how these moldings make this already high ceiling look even taller and gives the whole space a very luxurious feel. We'll be linking all the decor in the caption, so make sure to check that out. We even layered a fun piece of artwork over the molding to give this wall a little more texture. All done! Shop this kit at luxearchitectural.com.